In this video, we're making the spicy and tangy egg drop tamarind curry. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. First, you're going to take your preserved tamarind pulp and add in the water to it. Let this soak for 15 minutes and then you're going to just squeeze out any remaining pulp from the tamarind. And then drain out the pulp and then discard it. Then to a pan, you're going to add in some oil and heat it. Once the oil is hot, you can add in the onions and the chilies. Give that a mix. Add some salt to taste. Again mix, and then you're going to cover and cook this for 5 to 6 minutes till the onion is transparent and cooked. Then add in the ginger garlic paste and mix and cook for 1 to 2 more minutes. Then add in the hirva masala and give that a mix, and then add in the tamarind water and mix it as well. Then let the curry come to a boil on medium flame and then add in the eggs. And then cover and cook this on low flame for 5 minutes till the eggs are cooked. And that's it, your curry is almost ready. Just garnish with some coriander and let that just cook for about a minute or two. And your egg drop tamarind curry is ready to serve. Just serve this hot with some rice or pav or even chapati, and it tastes absolutely yummy.